In this video, you will learn how to perfectly position image or picture in Microsoft Word. Firstly, you can see here I have inserted an image in Microsoft Word document. I will delete this one. Now I am interested to insert image here. I will click here. After that, here you will find the option of insert. Click on it. And here are multiple options. You can use any option. You can insert shape using these options. Here is the option of icon. You can select icons. Here is the option of 3D models. You can also use this option. I am interested to insert image. I will go to picture. Here is the option of this device. Locate your picture. I have saved it on desktop. I will select desktop and I will navigate to my picture. Select this one and click on insert. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted this picture. Now I will resize it. Now I am interested to insert this picture in this text. Here is the option of layout. Click here. When you select this picture, this option appeared here. This option also appeared here, which is the wrap text option. You can use any one. I will click on this. And first option is the square. I will select this one. Now you can see here text appeared along with our picture side by side. If I place it here in the middle of text, you can see here the text appeared on both sides of this picture. And if I scroll down, you can see here text appeared on the fourth side of this picture. I will again place it here. Now we will explore other option. Again go to this layout option and here is the option of tight. Select this one. You can see here there is no visible difference, but if you use picture with transparent background, then text appeared alongside this picture within this border. For example, I will delete this one to demonstrate the difference. Again go to insert option and picture option, this device, and this is the picture with transparent background. If you are interested to remove the background of picture, separate video tutorial is available on our channel. You can watch that video for more detail. Now you will see the difference. Click here. Go to square option. Now you can see here text appear outside this border. I will again select this one. Go to layout option and I will click on this option, which is the tight option. Now you can see here text appear within this border around this picture. Now I will explore third option, which is the thorough. There is no visible difference between this thorough and this one, which is the tight. Now here is the option of top and bottom. If you choose this option, text appeared on the top of this picture and bottom of this picture. I will place it here. You can see here text appear on the top of this picture or bottom of this picture. If you place anywhere picture in this text. Now explore other option. Again click here and here is the option of behind text. The picture appeared behind the text. You can resize it and it will appear behind the text. Now again click here and here is the last option, which is the in front of text. Select this one and picture will appear on the front of this text. So by using this option, you can perfectly position image in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.